come true.
Hey lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you're a returnee, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I set my brows in place using hair gel / edge gel, and why I think this is the best method. This is open for discussion, debate, you know, but this is my preferred method. And I have tried eyebrow gel before, and the one I tried was not doing what I needed, so I kind of had to wing it, and this is what I've come up with. I will link a video in the description box where I just talk about my favorite hair gels / edge gels, so you can also check that out. If you are watching this video not having a gel and you want to purchase a gel, you can watch this video and the other video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really like my brows. I did my brows really well today. Like, they really, I know I do my brows really well generally, because I've got a lot of brow hairs, so I do nothing really, but some days are bad, you know. But yeah, so let's get to the video. One tip I can give you guys is that the runnier the consistency of the gel, the longer you'd have to wait once you've applied the gel on your eyebrows before it gets tacky, and then you can shape your eyebrows. And then if the gel is like a bit thick, then the waiting period is not as long like it would be when the gel is runny. I hope that makes sense. In today's video, I am using the On Jackie's flexible styling glue, which I'm actually using for the first time, and I'm quite impressed. If I do find it in store, I will definitely buy it. And then you need a double-sided brush thingy mabob. I don't know what that thing is called. And then you need a spoolie. I'm laughing because that's obviously a mascara wand that I've turned into a spoolie because I can't find my spoolie. And then if you don't have that other brush that I'm showing you, you can use a comb, or you can use a toothbrush if you don't have a spoolie. You need a cotton pad, and you need the mist spray or whatever liquid of your choice. Before I begin, I like to make sure that I've cleaned the area just around my brow to make sure that I am working on a clean canvas. And I use a cotton pad or wipes, and I use it together with a mist spray which has rose water and aloe vera. But you can use rose water, you can use water. If you do use water, just make sure that you're very thorough and you get all that gunk. Well, it's not gunk, but you know what I'm saying. You get all of that stuff out. So I'm just scooping out the gel using the back of the toothbrush, and as you can see, the consistency is quite thick, very thick, and I'm just applying a generous amount on my brows. Generous as in like enough to coat my brows. I was smelling it, it smells really nice. I decided to use the lid of an ice cream tub just to help the gel to dry, and as you can see, like, it's tacky because it's sticky as I lift my finger, so it's ready. My eyebrows are currently feathered out from using the spoolie, so I use this just to create shape around my brows. If you like the feathered look, then you can then skip this step. I'm just taking my wipes and I'm using the mist spray thingy to make sure that I am wiping all excess gel on my skin. Bruh, especially if you're gonna wear makeup, if you don't do this, I'm telling you, disaster. That's all I can say. And then I'm just tapping lightly on my brow because the gel tends to make your eyebrows like very shiny, so that also helps. You can also use just a bit of loose powder to remove that shine caused by the gel. I actually decided that, you know what, let me do my brows on camera for you guys so you guys can see that even when you are wearing makeup, this method is still like the girl, and you can actually flourish, live your best lives using this method if you are wearing makeup. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative, and I really do hope that it was as detailed as possible for you to be able to apply this method on your own eyebrows. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, and subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.